Let's break down the process of parsing JSON. JSON, or JavaScript object notation, is a popular way of describing a collection of key-value pairs. The keys can be represented as strings, and the values can be other strings, numbers, arrays, or even dictionaries. For the web services that we'll interact with in this course, as well as many others, we can use JSON to pass data to and from our apps. For now, I just want you to focus on getting JSON data and then parsing it. We can break this process down into 3 steps. First, get the raw JSON data. Second, parse the JSON data into a usable foundation object, such as an NS dictionary or an NS array. And third, grab the data from the foundation object. These steps will make more sense in code, so let's demonstrate them now.
Here I'm back in the Flick Finder app, and we've seen this code before. And the first step of actually getting the JSON data is easy. If we come back without an error, we can assume that we got the JSON data. Next, what we'll want to do is use the NS.JSON serialization class and the JSON object with data method to take our raw JSON, convert it to a foundation object, which is essentially an NS dictionary or an NS array. In this case, you can see that we're casting it as an NS dictionary. And again, that's because of the curly braces that we saw from the expected output in the API Explorer. Once we have this data in an NS dictionary, it becomes a lot easier to use. I've looked at the API Explorer enough to know that there's a key called photos in our response. So let's print and see what photos returns. If we look at the printout here, we can see that for the key photos we have page, pages. This is all another dictionary, and then within it is the big array of images. If you like more practice with these concepts, I've put together a set of problems that you can try to make sure that you're comfortable first, and they're linked to in the instructor notes. So feel free to go there now and then do some of the exercises, and when you're ready, come back and we can take the next step in the Flick Finder app.